It is the Wake Up Club with Glenn and Rebecca. We're getting closer to Halloween, and people's preoccupation with the paranormal starts to peak around this time of the year. You can't avoid that. Well, coming up tonight, the paranormal team East Coast Angels will be giving guided tours to the public beginning at 6 p.m. over at the Whitehall Mansion and Cemetery in Mystic.
Ooh.
We have some guests here in the studio.
Yes, we're welcoming Sue Brimmer and Sal Salerno, members of the paranormal team East Coast Angels. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And so tell us about what the East Coast Angels are all about.
Well, we specialize in helping families that are experiencing the unexplained in their homes or businesses. You know, there's not many places for people to turn for that kind of help, and been able to help quite a few families in the area and surrounding states since we've started about a year ago.
And you were recently right here in our own backyard in New London County at a house in the area. Can you tell us what you found?
Well, it was probably the most evil entity that we've come across, trying to take over an entire family. I'll tell you, ghost hunting can be fun, but when you're dealing with something like that, there is no fun in it at all.
What do you do to try and keep them from taking over that family?
We go in and kind of assess the situation, make sure that it's not just something that people are thinking has happened but isn't actually happening. We kind of try to debunk the situation, and as a last resort, just discover that it's a paranormal activity that's occurring.
What kind of devices do you bring with you?
Well, we bring video cameras, night vision cameras, regular digital cameras, K2 meters, which you can actually interact with the spirits. You can ask a question and have them light up the meter that has 5 lights on it, and you can have them light it up once for yes and not light it up for no. We bring EMF detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, all kinds of different devices, audio recorders, which we could capture EVPs, which is electronic voice phenomenon. It's actual spirit voices that will show up on the recording when we go back to our computers and analyze the evidence that we didn't hear with our own ears.
Now, you can find out more about this at the event happening tonight at Whitehall Mansion and Cemetery in Mystic. Also on hand will be Master Clairvoyant Carrie O'Connor, the psychic, giving 10-minute readings, as well as a walkthrough of the mansion, the cemetery, giving everybody her visions as well. And what else can people expect when they go there?
Well, we're going to be having some prize giveaways. We're also taking donations, $1 tickets at the door if you bring in some canned food, which is going towards the Gemma Food Drive.
And the website to get more information is ecangels.com. It's happening tonight.
And real quick, because you guys are real ghost hunters, what do you think about the movie Paranormal Activity coming out?
Well, I actually haven't had the opportunity to go see it yet, but it is on my to-do list.
Yeah, me too.
Same here.
Only cost $15,000 to make. So far, it's brought in, $22 million at least.
Yeah, #1 at the box office last weekend, so.
Well, good luck on the event tonight.
Yeah,
hopefully
thank
it doesn't get too scary, just scary enough.
I'd also like to say you can find us on Facebook if you search East Coast Angels Paranormal Investigations.
Will do.
Thanks for being a part of the Wake Up Club.